Minasan, konnichiwa. Hajime mashite, desu ka sensei desu. Ishoni tanoshiko manabune. Welcome to our magical Japanese writing lesson. Today, we have a giant, super duper exciting mission together. Go grab your paper and marker because we're going to learn how to write the basic alphabet in hiragana. Are your markers ready? Hold them up high, high, high in the sky. Wow, you're ready. So let's start writing. So first, let's start with the vowel row, which are the a, I, U, E, O. Let's start with the A.
Draw a horizontal line straight down and a big loop-de-loop.
A. Next is I.
Draw one line down with a happy little hook and one short line next to it.
I. Now for the letter U.
A little dash at the top and a big round tummy under.
U. Here's come with the letter E.
A dash on top, then a zigzag line with a wave at the bottom.
E. And last for the vowel row is O.
Draw a horizontal line, down, loop around, and don't forget it's a special little dot on top.
O. Show me your paper. Wow! Look at those beautiful vowels. You know how to write it now. Let's move on to the ka row. First is ka.
Draw a curve down, a strong vertical stroke, and a tiny dash on the side.
Ka. Next is ki.
Draw a two lines across, a line straight through, and a detached curve at the bottom.
Ki. Now for the letter ku, which is the easiest alphabet in hiragana.
Just a one smooth stroke like a little bird's beak.
Ku. Now is ke.
Draw a straight line down with a hook, a flat on top, and a long curved line.
Ke. And last for the ka row is the ko.
Draw a one top line with a tiny hook and one bottom line.
Ko. Now we're on the third row, which is the sa row. Let's write sa.
Draw a one line across, down through it, and a separate little smile at the bottom.
Sa. Next is she.
Draw a one single stroke, down, and hook.
She. Now for su.
Draw a horizontal line, go straight down, and make a tiny circle hook and kick it out.
Su. And second to the last in sa row is se.
Draw a line across, a short line down, and a long line with a big step.
Se. And the last letter in the sa row is so.
Zigzag, and a big crescent moon curve.
So now we're on the fourth row, which is the ta row. Let's start with the ta.
Draw a horizontal line, a down line, and a two small line next to it.
Ta. Next to the ta is chi.
Draw a line across, then down into it a big round belly.
Chi. Now for chu.
Draw a one big smooth ocean wave.
Chu. And here's for the letter te.
Draw a line across and then a smooth curve back.
Te. And last for the ta row is to.
Draw a short diagonal stroke, meeting a giant cup shape below.
To. Kids, are you there? Oh, you're interested in here and you bear with me. So now, we're on the fifth row, which is the na row. Let's start with na.
Draw a horizontal line, a down line, and a little cross on the right and a loop at the bottom.
Na. Next is ni.
Draw a one long line with a hook and two flat lines on the side.
Ni. So now is for nu.
Draw a slant down, loop up, and give it a cute little twisty knot at the end.
Nu. And here is ne.
Draw a one leg straight down, a zigzag, and another little twisty knot.
Ne. And last for the na row is no.
Start in the middle, go down, look up, and all the way around like a racetrack.
No. Oh wow, we're on the sixth row now, which is the ha row. So let's start with the letter ha.
Draw a line down with the hook, a horizontal line, and a loop at the bottom.
Ha! Next is he.
Draw a flat line that drops into a big wide smile and stretches back up.
He. The third one in harrow is fu.
Draw a hook on the top, a big loop in the middle, and two little wings on the side.
Fu. And the fourth one is he.
Draw a one simple mountain stroke up and down.
He. And the last letter in harrow is ho.
Like ha, but it has two lines across and a hat on top.
Ho. Oops, I'm just kidding. I'm just making you laugh. Nasan, we're on the 7th row, which is the ma row. So let's start with ma.
Draw a two lines across, down through them, and a loop.
Ma. Next is me.
Draw a letter J and put a quit at the end.
Me. And here is me. Me? Just kidding. And here is me.
Draw a slant down, then look around. It looks like no, but with no knot at the end.
Me. And last for the ma row is mo.
Draw like a fish hook first, then add two lines across.
Mo. And now we're on the ya row.
Draw a big curve up with a hook, a little dash, and a long cross line.
Yeah. And next is you.
Line down, a big fish curly curve, and a line slicing right through it.
You or you. And last for the ya row is yo.
Draw a short horizontal line, then a line down with a loop.
Yo. Oh wow. We're on the second to the last row, which is the arrow. So let's start with ra.
Draw a short dash on top and a big open hook below.
Ra. The second one is re.
Draw a short line down with a hook and a long line next to it.
Re. And now for ru.
Draw a zigzag, curve around, and put a little loop at tail.
Ru. And here is re.
Draw a line down, zigzag, and kick the tail out of the sky.
Re. And lastly, for the R row is ro.
Just like ro, but keep the tail completely open, no loop.
Ro. Finally, we're on the last row of the hiragana alphabet, which are the wa, wo, and ni. So let's start with wa.
Draw a line down, zigzag, and a giant round curve.
Wa. And here is wo.
Draw a line across, a long diagonal slash, and a curved C shape underneath.
Wo. And lastly, the end.
Start at the top, slide down, and curve out like a fancy cursive H.
End. Oh, we're done. Wow, look at your paper. You just handwrote all the basic hiragana alphabet. Give yourself a brain kiss. Thank you for writing with me today, kids. You did an amazing job. Keep on practicing, and I will see you in our next class. Jane matane!